Hi all, welcome back to another show. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and click that little notification bell and so you don't miss out on anything else. Alright, let's get quickly into this little photo today. Now, these photos that I do on a weekly basis, anybody can do these. You don't have to necessarily have Photoshop or anything like that. Any editing software is perfect for it. Now with this image I took with the glow compass in my hand thing, holding it out. It was just two images basically here I'm showing you right now. One of them is just a PNG file of the compass itself, and I placed it over my hand, and just using the perspective and transform tool in Photoshop, I just kind of manipulated it into a way that it kind of looked like it would fit my hand. Now this took a little bit of fiddling about so I could get it right. All in all, like I do like the image. It worked out the way I thought it would, but there is probably one thing I would change whenever I was doing the blue kind of glow on there. I probably wouldn't have added as much, or probably used a gradient tool for that and not the paintbrush. So that's basically the only issue I have with it. Maybe I might do it again, but I have another at-home photo creative idea for you guys to try out. This one does consider just destroying a big fat book, so I may have to ask the good wife if I can destroy one of her books. Just covered it in dirt, so not totally destroy it, but you know what I mean. So also when I was doing this image, I used actually an app on my phone called Lens Distortions. This is where I got all those kind of lens flare dust particles going like that. Now I know you can do this in Photoshop as well, but this was a quick and easy option, so I'm not gonna print or sell this to whatever. It's good for Instagram and the story that I was portraying. Also the little kind of shadow, kind of other kind of hologram halo on there, it really works well. It's just the little things, the little detail that you got to look out for in this image as such. You can also see where I used a lens distortion app as well on the bottom here for like some kind of lens flare as well. Now it was particularly an easy photo to put together, so you guys probably could do a better job than what I did using just your phone or whatever. So yeah, drop some comments down below. I want to see them. I'm kind of interested in what you guys can come up with, so it'll be really good to see that, some feedback on it as well. The other thing you got to look out for when doing like this sort of image with a compass or whatever is your background. Now I used a background of a load of trees and just kind of filled it in around the edges on the original photo where I've got because I shot this through a window, there was trees on the other side, and I kind of took out the picture frame, or not the picture frame, the frame of the window and everything. So just to fill it out a bit and give it to more, I was outside kind of a look, instead of just holding my hand up to the window and seeing what I could get. I was actually meant to take this image at night time as well, and I shot it during the day. So every time when it came to nighttime that I was going to reshoot the hand holding it out, I totally forgot. So I really then had to come up with something better, and then I just did a little bit of Photoshop to make it look like nighttime, with some fading in and fading out and dodging and burning and what have you. It works out pretty well. So if this video has just given you some inspiration, or you even just liked it, give it a good thumbs up and leave some comments down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe, because it really helps out the channel. gives me more oomph to do these videos for you guys, to show you what you can do at home. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So, see ya.